to my channel again. Today we are cooking Greek style salad, my version, okay? And this is going to be a tasty meal. It's going to be quick and could be for any occasion, especially work day, a weekday meal, okay? When you haven't got much time. This is a very quick meal in under 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Let's begin. I've prepared all the ingredients here. First of all, you put in 300 grams of sliced cherry tomatoes in a big bowl. And you put 500 grams of feta cheese, all diced. You put 500 grams of olives, pitted olives, black olives. And you put 3 spring onions all cut up. And then you add fresh basil leaves that I happen to be growing on my windowsill in the kitchen. Look, my hands are clean, I'll wash them. And you add a tiny bit of salt, a pinch of salt, pinch of smoked sea salt, which I happen to still got. And then add a pinch of black pepper. And I happen to be using Mediterranean blend olive oil, but you could use extra virgin olive oil for this. You just drizzle some in there, and then get 2 tablespoons, and you toss it all together like this. Now it is ready to serve up and tested to be eaten. You could of course chill it afterwards, but I've already chilled these ingredients, so these are fresh out of the fridge, all these ingredients, apart from the